This video shows you how you can actually level up your content marketing strategy in this year 2025. Whether you are a business owner or you are a content creator, stick around in this video as I will be breaking down the top content marketing trends, yes, strategies that actually work. And also, I will be unveiling how you can actually build a content marketing plan. In fact, a content plan that drives traffic, a content plan that drives leads, and a content plan that converts leads to sales. This is going to be a game changer for you. Now, before we delve into the strategies, let's quickly cover what content marketing actually is. So what is content marketing, if I may ask you? Simply put, content marketing is the practice of creating and sharing valuable, resistant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Not just that, it is the act of you ultimately trying to drive profitable customer action. That is what? These leads you've gotten, converting them into sales. Now, unlike the traditional ads that we run, content marketing focuses on educating and engaging your audience through blog posts, videos, social media, podcasts, and so many more. For example, this blog post that you can see on your screen is aimed at educating our audience on the 5 digital marketing strategies that would help business grow. Yes, it's a free content that we are putting out there for people to learn. We are educating them. It is basically aimed at promoting our digital marketing course. So on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, we also have videos that are aimed either to educate our audience or it is aimed to entertain them with the aim of marketing a product to them. So content marketing is the act of using these free contents to market your products and services. Now that we have a full understanding of what content marketing is, why is it really important that we move our focus to content marketing in this year 2025? Well, there is one major reason, but before I tell you that reason, if you have not done so, do also like this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button if you know that you are already getting value from this video. In fact, so much more value to come. Oh yeah, now, hit the subscribe button, okay? Fine. Now, the reason why you need to direct your focus to content marketing is basically because of the rising ad cost that we currently have. Running paid advertisement is currently on the expensive side. Whether you're running Meta ads, Google ads, you find out that the cost of running ads is going up by the day. So getting a strategy that can still give you sales without you spending money on ads is something that you should cherish. And yes, content marketing is that thing that helps you actually get these clients without you spending what? Money. No money on ads. Now, having answered that question, the next question is, why do you need a content marketing strategy before you actually start putting out content out there on social media, as it were? Well, the truth is that without a clear strategy, your content efforts can feel scattered and ineffective. Imagine posting something you're supposed to post today and you're posting it on Friday. You're posting it days after. Your content will not be organized. A content marketing strategy would help you define your goals. Whether it is traffic, leads, or brand awareness, it helps you understand your audience needs. Now, when you know this, you can now create content that truly resonates with your audience. A content marketing strategy also helps you streamline your efforts. Yes, by focusing on the platforms and content types that works best for you, you see exactly where to put your energy, emphasizing or ensuring that you create content that your users or your audience would cherish. The truth remains that brands with a documented content strategy are far more likely to see returns on their investment. So if you want to stop guessing and start growing, a content marketing strategy is a must. Again, are you getting value from this video you are watching? Please do well to hit that like button and ensure you share this video and turn on post notifications so many other persons would be able to see this video, and you would in turn see other videos will be given to you that would help aid your business growth. So now we come over to the main reason of this video. How can you build a content marketing strategy for yourself in this year 2025? I'm going to be giving you 3 ways that you can actually do that right now. What is the first way? The very first thing you have to do is to define your audience and identify their pain points. Yes, what is that challenge that your audience actually have? For example, if you are a makeup artist, your audience are definitely women who are makeup enthusiasts. Now, you can use ChatGPT to find out what their pain points are. You can simply go over to ChatGPT and say, what are the pain points of women who are makeup enthusiasts? Now, you will see that ChatGPT will give you a list of all their pain points. It's as easy as that. Now, any business you offer, it is very, very easy for you to use this AI tool, ChatGPT, to find out the pain points of your audience. Now, you have your audience, and now you know their pain points. Yes, I've just shown you exactly how to find their pain points. Now, when you have their pain points, you can now do some keyword research to see which of these pain points your people are actively searching for. You may be wondering, how can you do that keyword research? You can use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to search for the search volumes of these keywords. Now, once you have these search volumes, you now know keywords that people are searching for, your audience are searching for. You now move over to the last step to creating a winning strategy, which is to create a content calendar of the pain points with high search volumes that you have just seen. Now, your content calendar should have a mix of blog posts, you should have a mix of videos and social media updates. How can you actually achieve this content calendar? You can do this by going to ChatGPT and simply type in, create a content calendar highlighting these pain points. The calendar should come with a mix of blog posts, videos, and social media updates. Immediately you hit enter, I am very, very sure that you can see on my screen, ChatGPT would give you a well-structured content calendar that tells you what to say that would keep your audience engaged. At this point, I'm sure you got those 3 steps to actually creating a content marketing strategy. What was the first thing I mentioned? You must define your audience and ensure you know the pain point of your audience. What's the second thing? Doing keyword research to see those keywords that has high search volume. And what's the third thing? Ensure you use ChatGPT to create a content calendar that would definitely engage your brand. Come on. Are you getting value from this video that I'm giving to you? Oh yeah, now, hit the like button. Make I beg you. Hit the subscribe button and ensure you share this video so many other business owners can get this mind-blowing information that I am dishing out. And what is more, go down there to the comment section and tell me thank you for this mind-blowing information. Of course, you know that the very next thing is to measure the success of your content. So now, how can you actually measure the performance of your content? As you know, for you to know what is working for you and what you need to stop doing, you need to track your performance. You should track metrics like traffic, engagement, and conversions. Yes, you can use tools like Google Analytics. You can use tools like HubSpot. These tools can help you understand what content resonates most with your audience and also which content you should focus on more. And that is how you build a powerful content marketing strategy for this year 2025. If you got value from this video, oh yeah, now I've told you again, if you have not done so, hit that like button and ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more actionable marketing tips. Do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section below. I read all of them. I would reply all your questions. Thanks for watching once again. Now I have so many videos on this channel that will show you tips on how you can market your product and services. Some of them will be showing on your screen immediately now. Click on that video, watch it, and I'll see you in that next video.